So here we are going to delete all the nodes from the circular linked list. Okay, so here I'm going to define one function delete all. Okay, so here I'm going to pass self colon. I'm going to use condition, that is self, if self dot head is none, then return nothing. Okay, so if you have, like, if you don't have any head, so it will return nothing. Okay, it is used for like empty linked list. Okay, so self, if you have anything in linked list, so it will remove like this. If self dot tell dot next is equals to none. Okay, and here self dot head, it is also none. And self dot length is equals to 0. Okay, so here you can see I have tell dot next equals to none, self dot head is also none, length is also none. I forget one line, that is self dot tell is equals to none. Okay, so here you said everything none. So by using this you delete all the nodes. Okay, because with the, if you want to delete head, then it will also none here by using this. Okay, so self dot tell, by using this you need to delete your tell, your not your tell, linked list tell. Okay, and length is also you said 0. Okay, and next for next element, okay, self dot tell is also none. Okay, so we can delete every element, every node like this. Okay, and guys, we can use I mean, for example uses, we can use linked list. Okay, so this is the variable of this class, where I should create. Okay, I already created this class. Okay, so this is the linked list class. Okay, so this is the variable of linked list class. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to append the element. This is another function, that is I'm going to append 20. I'm going to insert element at 0 index, I'm going to insert 20. Okay, I'm going to insert at one index 130. Okay, I'm going to insert at index 240. Okay, insert at index 350. Okay, and set the value, I'm going to set the value at index -1, that is 100. Okay, so if you are going to run this, you got everything in the response, otherwise you got error. Okay, so here it is said that I don't have append. Okay, I need to restart this. Okay guys, it is giving me error. Okay, because I'm going to write like this. So if you write code everything like this, okay, so first of all you need to create node. Okay, I'm going to run everything again, rerun all. Okay, so here if you going to create node first of all, and then you need to create one class. Okay, and after this you need to create a string one by one, a string representation, and then you need to use append. Okay, then you need to add the element from the first. Okay, add the end element, sorry, insert the element by using insert method. Okay, so get element from the get node, sorry, get method, and set the value by using set method. And by using search you can search the element, and by using traverse you can traverse the element, and by using pop you can remove the first element, first pop. Okay, pop first, and by using just pop you remove the element from the last. And remove by index, you can remove the element by using index. Okay, and delete the all element by using this. And for testing purpose you need to create proper setup like this. Okay, main function, and here you need to create null object and call the cs linked list class. Okay, and here you are going to print element one by one, adding element. Okay, so first of all I need to append and pretend. Append means we are going to add the element from the end, or pretend means we are going to add element from the beginning. Okay, insert, we are going to insert 2 at 99, sorry, 2, index 2, I'm going to add 99. Okay, so this will print everything for you like this. Okay, and you got in result like this. Okay, so if you want to create fully linked list like this, so you add, I already taught you everything one by one, so you can add and use like this. Okay, so circular linked list is last node point back to the head. Okay, efficient insertion at head and tail. Length is tracked to simply operation and check. Get value, set value, sorry, get and set value, remove, make it flexible and robust. Okay, so here I already have everything. If you want this code, I already post this code on GitHub, so you can go and take a pull and you can check. Okay, so you can run these things like this. Okay. Oh, it is used for delete the element, and this is for, okay, so here I'm going to rerun it again. Okay, again I got error. What happening? Value, run all. Okay, because I'm not like I didn't set proper element. Okay, so if you want to print everything by using linked list, or if you want to append, so you can append like this. Okay, like this. Okay, this is also same, append. Okay, insert,